Sir, I'm not even listening to the record.
So you not pay attention. Me know when you not pay attention.
Sir, but we mostly some my time remind us you're not record.
Yeah, but a while ago.
That's true.
But you wasn't paying attention a while ago, were you?
Because I never did look up this necessarily, but I look down on the picture, I try burst my brain.
Oh, yeah. All right. Now, it's explained important. We're continuing the same topic. Now, as you can see, we have a picture there showing us diffusion, which is a passive transport, and it's showing us active transport, right? Now, what you notice about this? What's the difference between the top and the bottom part of the picture? Reagan.
Sir?
Mm.
Alright. I said what the picture extra explain?
Yeah, we understand from the picture.
Alright, active transport diffusion. You know, sir, I know, sir, I really understand that part there. I
Just,
mean, I try.
no, man, what I want you to do is look at the picture and tell me where you understand what the picture telling you.
Alright, picture show me, like, we call that, you know, like, said something like a permeable membrane, but a little bit thicker, like diffusion, passive transport, like that one try pass through. I don't really understand the diagram, so you have to explain on it to me.
No, man, use your eyes and tell me what your eyes are see. That's what I have to do.
Alright, I just say a molecule like a pass through a membrane into a, what is it called? Diffusion, passive transport.
All right, forget about the words now. Forget about the words. Just tell me the action that the picture illustrating.
Like, I was showing like molecules flowing from one side to other.
That's exactly what you're supposed to tell me.
Uh,
But you put in some adjective now. Describe the sides them.
sides.
Yeah, man. You say if they're from one side to another. Put some
Like from,
description.
like from a clearer side to like a darker side or something like that.
Not really. I don't want to use those adjectives. Give me another adjective. Yeah, you use adjectives earlier in the session. I don't want to use them again. All right. Compare both the top and the bottom. Compare both top and bottom. When you compare them, are they different or are they same?
They are different, sir.
How are they different?
Cause in one point,
Yeah.
over here, so group over another point, you have some scatter over here, so and some on the other left hand side.
All right.
Like in the picture, some already did I go over in the first picture, but in the second picture, like them reach
And reach.
and two left for forward. And that's to understand the picture there, no, sir.
All right. Let me give Kashif a chance. Kashif, what do you think?
Me? Sir, the difference between it is, alright, over the top picture,
Yeah.
there's less molecules over on the right hand side, but the bottom picture there's more molecules on the right hand side. The bottom picture I see a big purple, I don't know if it's an egg, and it's a oval shape thing is in the middle of the second image with the active transport. I don't know what it is.
All right.
The molecules.
That's not one you guys to do. And I'm going to see if I can teach this now, right? Hold on there. Now, you see when you come on to pictures, graphics, you have to pay attention to every details, right?
Yes, sir.
So one more thing I see, I only see like particles moving across, but more like one needs one of them more particles is moving across. I'm not sure how, but yes, that's something else I see. The particles moving through, either call it either put permeable membrane or such in this, sir?
Well, not necessarily, because remember diffusion though occur across a membrane, right? Remember it doesn't. All right, let us look at it.
All right, so move across the cell membrane. That's all it leaves me for say.
Yeah, I'm moving across something. Okay, fine. Now, attempt it, which is not bad. Now, first of all, when the circles them group up together like this, what do you describe it as?
When the what?
When you have a lot of them group up like this, what do you describe it as?
It's at a higher concentration.
Exactly. So you never use a term that in a description or whatever. That may
I
listen
was
to
so
stuff
not
here.
thinking about that.
That's it. I gotta realize. So I wasn't thinking, but I want to look at everything and think. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So you have to.
Oh, it moved from a high concentration through the membrane to a lower concentration.
Yeah,
And then the next one would be the lower concentration to higher concentration.
exactly.
Oh.
Exactly. But with the active transport now, it a move from an area of low concentration to high concentration with the use of energy from respiration. The use of energy from where?
Respiration.
Respiration.
Respiration. Good. So your
But me
word
don't know what ATP means, sir.
ATP means
Active.
adenotriphosphate.
A what?
Adenotriphosphate. All right. You will learn that when we start look at respiration.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Everybody get that?
Okay. Yeah.
All
Higher
right. Good.
concentration.
So now this take place inside of your kidneys, active transport. Like ions is really a fact. Active transport is a movement of ions from an area of low concentration to area of high concentration. All right, you get that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's really what it's all about. Good, make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now in your kidneys now, your body will reabsorb salts. No, not reabsorb salt. It's gonna get rid of the excess salts outside of your body, excess sugar outside your body, glucose at it. So you're gonna recognize that these ions, the salt ions and the glucose ions, they will go across the membrane from an area of low concentration to an area of high concentration for that to get outside of your body. You understand? You understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
All right. Okay. But we learn more as we go along. All right. Okay. All right. Now there's something I want you guys to learn. We're at the end of the lesson, but we might not discuss this right now. But it's something I want you to learn. Maybe I should leave it until the other class. Now, when you're reading, you must remember that whatever you're reading, it's made up of words, right? But each word is a part of a speech. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Now, for you to read with understanding, then you have to analyze each complete sentence using what we call part of speech. Now, the first sentence is sometimes the body needs to move molecules against their gradient. Now, is the word sometimes, what part of speech is the word sometimes? And have you know?
No, sir.
No. No, sir.
No. All right. So we're going to look it up and find a part of speech for the word sometimes.
For the word sometime.
Yeah, sometimes. We want to know the part of speech. Just as I thought. The part of speech of the word, sorry, the part of speech of the word sometimes is an adverb. What is it?
Adverb.
Adverb. So sometimes is an adverb. Now, what is an adverb? What's an adverb?
Sir?
What's an adverb?
Sir,
You not hear me? Hello?
I'm hearing you now.
Yeah. What is an adverb? What's
A
an
word or
adverb?
phrase
Huh?
that a word or phrase that qualifies um wait a sec. Wait. A word or phrase that modifies or qualifies an adjective, verb or other adverb or a word group.
So the word or phrase that modifies the meaning of an adjective, right?
Yes.
Or verb or other adverb. So it is describing an adjective or is it describing a verb, right? Most times you heard that you learn that it describes a verb. Good? Now
Yes.
the question then is what is the verb that's being described here? What's the verb that is being described here? Or the verb phrase that is being described? What is being described? No, a verb. You know that verb is an action word, don't it?
Yes, sir.
So what's the action word in this in that sentence?
We sent it sometimes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Um,
What's the what, sir? Verb
yeah, yeah,
in the first sentence?
yeah, yeah.
A move.
Huh?
Move.
It's two verbs there, man. Not one verb.
move.
So move is one, sir?
Yeah, to move. What is needs to move?
Or needs to move this the
Yeah,
whole
because the word need is a verb, you know. You have a need, right? It's a verb, right?
yes, sir.
But what it's really describing is the movement. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Movement
sir.
of molecules. So it is saying to us. So the word is sometimes is an adverb describing the movement of molecules. And it's saying sometimes the body, because the body knows the noun, right? The subject, right? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is carrying out this movement? What is carrying out the movement? Talk to me. What is carrying out the movement of molecules?
The body.
Um,
The body. Very good. So the body the inside our body, movement of molecules take place. You agree?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
All right. So you realize just by analyzing the one sentence how much you learn from it.
Yes, sir.
So you have to analyze the thing sentence by sentence. Don't rush through it. Analyze it so you can get an understanding. Make sense?
Yes,
Now
sir.
Yes, sir.
they continue to say now this is known as moving uphill and requires energy from the cell. Now there's an hyphen, so you would stop. The word this. What part of speech is the word this? What part of speech is the word this? This, this. You want me to tell you?
Sure.
Pronoun. What's a pronoun? What's a pronoun? What is a pronoun?
I don't remember.
All right. Now, it's human and social biology class, I agree. But guess what? You say if you don't use up your English language, you're
Sir,
not.
every subject you need English language, because you have to
Sir,
read
sir,
others.
me know it now, sir. Me just couldn't remember it as fast as I say it.
Okay,
Alright.
okay. Yeah, continue. You were saying something?
Me?
Yeah, a pronoun is a word that functions as a noun phrase used by itself and that refers to either to the participants, right? So in other words, it's a pronoun replacing the noun itself. Good? Now, what noun is that pronoun replacing in that sentence? What noun is the word this replacing in that sentence? What is it replacing?
Why it replacing this in the sentence?
Yeah, man. The pronoun this is replacing what word or what phrase? What is it replacing?
You can
What is
help
it?
me out, cause
What is this talking about here? All right. This is referring to the movement of molecules against their gradient. That's what it's referring to. So you see, if you don't know what this is referring to, or you're going to understand what the entire thing is talking about. You follow what I'm saying now?
yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
So one of these classes, we're going to look at how we can read and analyze written information. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So we're going to learn to analyze pictures, graphs, and written information. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
All right. So that and mathematics too. I was teaching some mathematics class this morning where these students are actually doing exam next week. They have exams next week, and I was teaching them how to analyze mathematics. And trust me, it was powerful. And when you guys learn to analyze it is basically decoding how the information is given to you for you to get the message. So I have to teach you how to decode
So you not
mathematics.
teach you them style, yes, sir.
That's what I just started a while ago with the written words. But the time not there. So we'll come back to class on Monday. I'm going to teach you guys how to decode the mathematics. And then for those who doing POB, I teach you how to decode.
We don't have you Monday, sir. No
Oh,
English have Monday.
oh, sorry, Tuesday, my mistake. I don't know why I'm thinking about Monday. So when you come to maths class on Tuesday, I'm going to teach you how to decode mathematics and also how to decode pictures, how to decode graphs, how to decode written information.
Thank you very much.
Why are you thanking? Thank God for that, not me.
Thank you, Jesus.
Yes, thank God for that. So I'm going to send you guys home now. And come next week, I'm going to
Hopefully
teach
the
you.
rain not falling.
If rain falling, just go and relax. So I was going to send you home and let you learn. So you get some finish up your second assignment. Mariah said nobody not sending the math assignment yet, but that's all right.
Nobody?
Nobody.
Sir, because if you do something for me.
Oh yeah, sorry. Tomorrow is Friday. I'll collect the laptop tomorrow. I have to come and collect it tomorrow. All right.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sure.
All right. So you guys have a good night.
Same to
Um.
Same to
you,
you.
sir.
Yes, and please to do your other HSB assignment and submit it so I can give you a grade. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. You have a good night. Eh? No man.
Yes,
No
sir.
man. Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye bye. Um. She on the night shift tonight.